Perfect.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hey Rose, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revamped a look that I did in 2017. It was my cracked doll makeup look, and I posted the video to YouTube. So this video is a direct comparison to my old video. My mom really wanted me to recreate this look because she said it's her favorite. So that's what I did for her, and I'm pretty sure she loves it. I'm just gonna let the video play, and you guys follow me on Instagram, YouTube, subscribe. I'm trying to not have as long of YouTube videos as I used to have, and yeah, I'm working on it. So yeah, just enjoy. So, what did you think? Did I do good? Did I glow up at all? Please leave it in the comments down below. And I will see you next time. Happy Halloween!